Welcome to C-Steps. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Netbox version from version 3 to version 4. As you can see, we have Netbox version 4 available, and my current version is on version 3.7.1. I went to the Netbox website, well, the upgrading page. I just used it as a reference point, but none of the commands within this page will be relevant for us because it's not for Netbox Docker. But feel free to review, as one thing I realized, you can't go from version 2 to version 4, you need to do it in increments. So yeah, and it also kind of gives you the dependency requirements. If you want to go to the actual web page that has all the commands, go to this URL and it would list out the whole update process. I realized that I needed to add this page after I'd finished recording, so I kind of added it to the video now. You probably noticed, but if you look at the time at the bottom right hand corner, it was done after. So let's get started. I've SSH onto my Netbox VM, and the first thing you need to do is go into the directory that your Netbox is within. Now I'm going to run this command to stop all the containers that are running within my VM. The next command is likely not needed, as the working branch would likely already be on release, but we will follow the KB. And as we can see, it's already on release. The next command now is going to fetch all the updates. Now we're going to run the pull command so that Docker can fetch the latest container, including the dependencies. Now with this command, it will start all the containers again. As per the KB information, this will also migrate the Netbox database schema automatically. As we can see, an error has been listed stating that the container is unhealthy. However, I've tested this on another VM on my production environment. It gave me the same results, and I believe this to be a bug because after 2 minutes, the container actually starts running again. So as we can see, right now at this moment in time, it's stating that it's unhealthy. And I kind of gave it a minute. Just for awareness also as well, this video has been speeded up to shorten the video. Run the following command again to kind of look at the status of the container. And once again, uptime showing as 2 minutes and the container still showing as unhealthy. And then I ran it again, and as you can see, up to 2 minutes, and now it's in a healthy state. I believe this may be a bug, unless somebody here can shed some light. I've looked at the logs and I couldn't find anything definitive. If we now go back to our web browser and try now log into Netbox via the GUI, so this is the old version 3.7.1, and I've just refreshed the browser. We now have an updated version of Netbox. You can check if we go right at the bottom. Well, I'm still signed into my user account, and if you go right at the bottom right hand corner, we can see we're now on version 4. So in summary, this is how you update your Netbox from version 3 to version 4. If this video was informative, please give it a like and do subscribe. Take care.